Good morning, guys. So I've been looking over at stats and 63% of you who are watching the videos are not subscribed to the channel. So I could ask a massive favour before we start. If you like the channel and want to support us, hit the subscribe button. My commitment to you, if you do that, is to make the videos better in every way. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Mr. Positive, look how happy I look here. It's raining. It's not forecast rain. There's a shower at 1. It's now about 9, half 9, something like that. And it's raining. It keeps raining now. So we've done all right. Tom stayed on Saturday. If you watched my last video, Tom stayed on Saturday, did these, can't do my arm, these two. So now we're up at that end, putting the cuts in, and then cuts all the way down here to this tap here. So the story behind this is these spacers go in and underneath the flag, and then you put the screw bit on it, and then you can kick it off as you've just seen. But when we started laying it, we left that that box. We have tubs for this, for porcelain, we have tubs for grouting, we have tubs for bricklaying, and we left that tub there. So then we've gone on now, and now we've got to screw them all on. Feel pointless, because then straight away you're just kicking off. So yeah, it's a bit of pain in the ass. It's raining, back of my coat drips down to my boxes. Happy face. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. But just saying now, if it is showers all day, we're going to get them cuts in, get a couple of cuts in down here, see how we go. I'll just show you this. This is the bottom patio, where you got a sleeper bed going down here, and then I give it a little bit of sand on Saturday just to try and soak a bit of water up. Try and help it out a bit, which it is a whisker dryer, but this rain ain't helping. And here it's leaking out. I think it's coming out of his garden, because his garden slopes down, and I think it's coming in here. So we'll end up putting a sleeper down there with a little drain down bottom of sleeper or something, just to hold it or keep it away or something. But yeah, we're going to stone this up today. Tom's just gone for stone now, and then that'll seal it. Now the thing with hardcore, especially MOT 40mm dark dust, is moisture makes it harder. So in the summer you'll whack it and it'll just be all dusty and dusty and dusty and dusty, and then you get the hose and you spray it like it's raining. Just don't soak it, just spray it like it's raining. Tomorrow, the next day, rock hard. So while it's raining here, it will go hard, it will be nice. So yeah, so that's the plan for today, just bitting and batting about. Then when Tom's gone for stone, I'll jump back up there, cut a flag, put a flag in, off we go. But yeah, I wanted to do that wall up there in the top corner, a little step up. But if it does rain for even half an hour, heavy, wall's wrecked. So I'm just going to leave it. Just going to leave it for today. So yeah, let's get bitting and batting. like I say, taking shape now. Up here, just feels so good. Like now, we're going to try and not walk on this at all. The tap's bust, so as you've seen, we're coming out of the utility for water, so we don't want to. Ideally, I want to jet wash that down already, put gravel around it, grout it, get it finished. Do not step on that. But yeah, feeling good. And then you come down to the next stage, AstroTurf, next stage, porcelain. You can feel where you're going to be. So tomorrow we are doing this. Can't think what it's called. Raised planter, which will then we'll have to get the height from this area, take it across, and then start that one, and then that from the other side, from the patio side, we'll then bring the height down to that bottom porcelain area. So yeah, so I'll go tomorrow. But God, it's getting dark. I'm hardly ever here when it's dark. Yeah, that rain didn't help this morning, but anyway it did, because we sealed the bottom now, haven't we? But it's not going to rain now till Thursday, so it's just all go really. Tom's away next week, so we just need to be ready for next Monday, so I'm working on my own. So it's doable, not killing myself. Oh, yeah. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. Take care of yourself.